Every morning, Daniel wakes to the familiar hum of city life. A distant siren, the muffled conversation of neighbors, the steady rhythm of footsteps on the pavement below his window. At first glance, his world is much like any other. A modest apartment cluttered with bills, a phone buzzing with reminders, and a calendar marked with deadlines. But behind those ordinary walls, Daniel carries a weight that seems heavier each day. He's not a hero, nor the protagonist of some grand adventure. He's simply a young man trying to keep pace in a city that never pauses, burdened by expenses, mounting debts, and the uncertainty of unstable work. The pressure is relentless. Unpaid bills accumulate in the corner, each one a silent accusation. The rent is overdue and the landlord's patience wears thin. Creditors and banks call with clockwork precision, their voices cold and scripted, each conversation a reminder that time is running out. Family expectations loom large, hopes for stability, for success, for some sign that Daniel is moving forward instead of treading water. Friends, once close, begin to drift away, pulled by the currents of their own lives, leaving Daniel feeling isolated and small. He is cornered, helpless, shrinking beneath the accumulated weight of it all. He tries to fight back against this tide. Daniel scours job boards, sends out applications and attends interviews, each one filled with nervous hope. He takes on side jobs, odd tasks that promise quick cash but rarely deliver. Rejection becomes routine. Polite emails, curt phone calls, awkward silences. Even when he lands freelance work, the experience is rarely rewarding. Clients underpay, criticize, and move on. Disappointment settles in, and with it, a creeping sense of defeat. Daniel's faith in himself begins to erode, replaced by the gnawing thought that maybe he isn't enough. The idea of giving up becomes less abstract, more tempting, an escape from the endless cycle of trying and failing. But life has a way of delivering surprises, even in the darkest moments. One afternoon, as Daniel wanders aimlessly through a local park, he stumbles upon a familiar face, an old friend, a former colleague, or perhaps a mentor from another chapter of his life. The encounter is unexpected, yet strangely comforting. They talk, not about money or jobs, but about perseverance and perspective. The friend offers no handout, no easy fix. Instead, they remind Daniel of something he's forgotten. Don't focus on what you lack. Start with what you still have. The words linger in Daniel's mind, echoing long after the conversation ends. Reflecting on this advice, Daniel digs beneath his worries and remembers a skill, a passion that once brought him joy. Maybe it was writing, design, photography, programming, or fixing electronics, something he knows, something he still possesses, even if it's been neglected. For the first time in months, a spark flickers within him. He decides to try again, to return to that skill, however rusty or outdated it may seem. The challenges do not magically disappear. Daniel is confronted by shortages, old tools barely functioning, gaps in his knowledge that make even simple tasks seem daunting, unreliable internet that cuts out just when he needs it most. But this time, something is different. He refuses to give up easily. Instead of letting frustration swallow him, Daniel persists. He practices his craft late into the night, improvising, learning, and adapting with every mistake. He posts his work online, hoping for recognition, but the world is silent. His efforts are met with indifference. No likes, no comments, no signs that anyone cares. When he accepts small projects, some clients vanish without him paying, leaving Daniel with empty promises and wasted hours. Mistakes are frequent, criticism harsh, and the temptation to quit is ever present. Yet Daniel keeps going. He studies, revises, and tries again. Each failure a lesson rather than a final verdict. Slowly, a shift begins within him. Daniel forms new habits, learning a little each day, experimenting each night. He grows more patient, learning to manage his emotion rather than being ruled by them. The despair that once colored every setback starts to fade, replaced by an appreciation for small victories, a new technique mastered, a positive comment, a project completed. The progress is incremental but real, and Daniel starts to believe in the possibility of change. One evening, while searching for advice online, Daniel stumbles upon a community, an online forum or group filled with people who share his passion. They welcome him, exchanging tips, collaborating on projects, and offering support during tough times. For the first time in a long while, Daniel does not feel alone. The sense of belonging lifts his spirits, fueling his determination to keep going. Through teamwork, new ideas emerge, and Daniel finds himself learning faster, growing more confident with each shared experience. Then, the breakthrough comes. A group project takes off. Maybe it's a product that sells, a contract won, or a channel that gains real followers. The success is unexpected, but deeply rewarding. Daniel earns enough to pay off some debts and stabilize his life. But the true reward is deeper than financial relief. He regains confidence in himself, remembering that progress is possible even when the odds seem stacked against him. From that point forward, Daniel continues his work with a new mindset. Persistence and confidence replace despair and self-doubt. He accepts that setbacks are part of the journey, embracing each challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. The routine of daily practice and community support becomes a source of strength, guiding him through the ups and downs of life in the city. In the end, Daniel's story is not one of triumph over impossible odds, but of resilience in the face of everyday struggles. He is still an ordinary man, but now he moves with purpose, fueled by the knowledge edge that small things, skills, passion, moments of connection can become the foundation for change. All of us face moments when life pushes us to the edge. We may feel trapped, overwhelmed, or ready to give up. But if we hold on to the small things we still have, nurture them, and refuse to let go, they can become the seeds of a brighter future. Persistence does not guarantee instant success, but it transforms us, helping us endure and eventually overcome. If you believe in the power of everyday resilience, subscribe and share your own stories. Together, we can build a community that celebrates persistence, supports one another, and transforms ordinary struggles into extraordinary change.